Hi, Brady. What are you doing? Don't drink that water. It's disgusting.
Yes.
That water is disgusting. Yucko. I love you.
Me too.
What's your name? Very good.
That's me.
My name is Tiffany Scher.
No, Tiffany does.
What do you think?
Mama Tiffany.
Mama what?
Mama Tiffany.
Mama Tiffy?
No.
What's my name?
Chris does.
Chris Scher. That's right. That's Chris's name. I love you.
Mama.
What's Mama's name?
Mama Tiffany.
Tiffany
Yes.
Scher.
No, Tiffany does it.
You're cute. Don't drink the water.